I want to be the best.
She has a big hair too, so...
Yeah, right. And you have a taller version. We are at Wine Work. I am here to see the making of wine. I'm excited.
Favorite thing is the smell, but I'm very much looking forward to tasting the wine. That's special too.
So this is the last bin of grapes that's really just started fermentation. The fruit very much looks like it was just picked and crushed, and that's exactly what we did yesterday. So these are your punch down tools. Part of getting the tour is that you're paying some labor.
It takes a lot of effort. Oh man.
Multiply this by a few hundred over the course of harvest and you get some good upper arm strength going. And so this is the basket that we use to pull samples.
From that stage until this stage, how long was it?
About a week and a half or so. After the wine has gone through fermentation and it's aged in the barrel, it's time to really taste the wine and see if it's ready to be released.
I never knew that this is the process of making wine.
Winemaking. That was fun.
Egészségedre.
Cheers. The next, we are going to the wine school to do the testing.
Tonight we're going to go through some principles of food and wine pairings, and we're going to get right down to trying some wonderful combinations. My rules aren't white with white, red with red, but it's basically the intensity of the dish should match the intensity of the wine, so one doesn't outshine the other.
It feels stronger and a bit bitter as well.
Yes.
Not so bad, but not so good.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Cheers.
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 I never know the combination between food and wine, so it was a learning session and it was a good learning session.
It was very nice.
If people like me are looking for a wine school, I definitely will recommend them about this place.
I plan very carefully when I'm buying a bottle of wine.
I have to share this experience, yes.